How did I turn this fixed table on my boat into a rotating table for only $18? Follow along and I'll show you. This was the table that came with our boat. It had 2 fixed legs and was so uncomfortable to sit around. Rotating table legs are crazy expensive, and I thought there has to be a better way. And here it is. It's a bar stool swivel replacement. I got it on Amazon for 18 bucks. And then I cut a piece of plywood, bolted the plywood to the table bottom. Then I screwed the swivel piece to the plywood. Then I put the table on top and screwed the swivel into the table. But before I did that, I did a few things. It didn't really spin super well, so I took my Harkin 1-drop lubricant, which is a really expensive lubricant used for making sure the sail cars in my mast slide up and down really easily. I used that to get the ball bearings moving super smoothly. Oh yeah, don't forget to attach the bottom to the floor before you put the top on. It works so well that it's inspired us to do more things with the salon. I can't wait to show you what my next great idea is. See you out there.